Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. I'm back, guys. I want to talk about the 10x income system alongside social media marketing training, okay? If you guys are here for the first time, do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back to the channel, guys. All right, first thing we want to do is let's take a look. Let me just kind of show you guys some of the results that I've gotten since I've been a part of the 10x income system. This is a wonderful system created by Tavi D, and this program allows you to make unlimited $297 commissions, guys. No complicated setup, no experience, no technical skills needed. Very simple system. $297 to get started, plus $19.99 a month. That's waived for you the first 30 days. So it'll be your $297 plus you want to get your traffic. Okay, the traffic ranges from a $60 pack, $110 pack, and a $200 pack. Okay, that's it, and you're in. They'll create your website for you, and they'll set it up for you. There's a few simple steps that you have to take to give them what they need. What I've done and what I'm doing going forward for everybody that joins me, I send a welcome email, and I have some videos to show you how to make sure you set up PayPal or Stripe. Those are the options that you have to use this system. There's no other options, okay? So I send a email to you with that in there to help you along the way. All right, as well as I'm here for one-on-one support and guidance throughout the whole process. Now, what we want to talk about, as I stated, is some social media training to go alongside with this. But let's show you some of the results that I've had thus far. All right, you guys, you can use Stripe and you can use PayPal or one or the other. Okay, or both. So I started with PayPal, and I've received PayPal payments and Stripe payments. So here we are with some of the Stripe payments, and let's go over take a look at some of the PayPal payments. Okay, for privacy protection, I've covered the folks' names and email addresses, but if you look here, I'm just going to stroll through some of these payments. As you can see, after they take their fees out, you're looking at about $286 after the fees. So as you can see, here's some of those payments, guys. Okay, so I've changed it to 90 days so you can see that I've had about in 6 weeks about $6,500 I've made with this system. So 10x income system definitely works. So if you're interested in getting started with me in that, go to www.besteasyworkincome.com and get started with me in that. And I also have a postcard template for those of you that want to mail postcards for it. Okay, so yeah, here's several payments that I've received from the system. So it definitely does work. Okay, now what I want to do is kind of just talk about how you can add social media marketing to this. Okay, yes, you're buying your traffic with the done for you portion of the system, but while you're waiting or in between that, you're already on social media. That's how you've joined most of us that's online. You know yourself, that's a fact, that social media does work and it's effective, because pretty much most of the programs you've probably joined are from some type of social media platform where you've seen somebody speak on it and you decided to join. So that does work. Now, what I want to show you is inside our group, there's tons of testimonies of people receiving commissions through the traffic, and there's tons of people with testimonies speaking of organic sales. Organic means that they've posted something, which is attraction marketing. They've posted something on social media somewhere, and someone have asked for more information, received their link, and they've signed up with the 10x income system. And I'm going to show you some proof of that. So that's what I want to talk about. And then we're going to talk about, well, how can you get training, okay, social media marketing training to help you do the same thing. All right, so let's go take a look in the group. Okay, so we're in the Facebook group, so take a look at this. This is folks' testimonies. This is what they're saying. Okay, so look at this one. Congratulations to Ashanti. Organic sale while putting my baby boy to sleep. Okay, organic. That's the key word. Okay, so she's making her own posts. She didn't pay for that. And she's attracting people to her, to whatever she posted, and they wanted more information about the 10X income system, and they signed up. Here's another one. Asia, congratulations to her. Boom, 2 organic sales in 12 hours. Okay. There's a flyer that we have. I'll send that to you too in the welcome email of a gentleman that did my flyer. And some people are posting their flyer. Just a simple picture. Okay. And people are asking for more information and they're signing up. So congratulations to Asia. But let's keep going. Jackson, congratulations to him. Got my 2nd organic sale. I really love this system and the opportunity it gives us. Okay. Organic, this is what they're saying. Sean, another one. Congratulations, Sean. Organic sale number 2 on the road to 34. This system is too much of a blessing to keep to myself. He said he signed the traffic agreement and he's in rotation. So he haven't even started at the time that he posted this, the traffic. And he just made a sale through the organic postings that he made. Okay. Next up, look at Joshua. He made a video. So that's a form of social media, guys. And that's working for him. Okay, we're going to keep going. Congratulations to Latifa. Your girl just got her first organic sale. I'm beyond excited. Watch out, world. I'm coming up and able to provide more for my children. Another one. Okay, keep going. Next one. Valencia, my first organic sale last night. First of many. Just signed up weeks ago, waiting to get in rotation. Money flows to me pretty easily. You see this? She's waiting to get in rotation, but in the meantime, she is getting organic sales. This is what I'm telling you. Posting ads on social media. So I'm going to show you a program that in which you can get these ads so you can post and do the same thing. Here's another one. Congratulations, Vicky. Morning, another sale came in today. Organic, super happy. If seeing is believing. Easiest money I ever made. Awesome. Congratulations to her. Here's somebody saying, hey, what are you guys doing? What's your pointers that you can give me for organic sales? This is how I know this is very much needed in the marketplace. Here's another one. Congratulations, Nikita. Woke up to my first organic sale this morning from a good friend. So she made a post, made a sale. Okay. Here's somebody saying, hey, give me some tips. This is what I'm saying. That's why I know it's needed. Now, this is the last one I'm going to show you. Then I'm going to show you this opportunity. Congratulations to Courtney. This is what she says. Platform first launched. This is both organic sales as well as traffic sales. If you want more sales faster, then promote it to your following. If you don't want to promote and just want traffic sales, then patiently wait on your traffic. So, if you don't have a following, though, see, she's talking about a following. So a lot of people do have followings, but what about the people that don't really have a following? That's where you're going to benefit from this training I'm getting ready to show you. I'm going to show you this last one from Michelle. Congratulations to her. Got my first organic sale. Thank you, Tavy D. This is an incredible system. So this is what I'm saying. Some people have a following. Some mostly don't. So what do you do with the people that don't? Check this out. Real quick, I'm going to show you this email without showing the person's name that sent me this. This is another basically testimony I want you guys to see. Check this out. I'm going to read it to you. Look at this. I hope that you're doing well. I did order my traffic the same day I received my link. She's talking about the 10X income system. While the traffic is running, I have posted a couple of YouTube videos about the 10X income system and posting videos on my TikTok. I haven't had much audience engagement. For example, at the end of the TikTok videos, I would say, if interested, comment info below. But the audience hasn't been engaging and commenting. Is there something that you could recommend or a resource that will be helpful? I would appreciate any tips. Did you get that? Right? You heard that, right? So now that was prior to me. This was like a week ago. Prior to me getting access to this training. So my tip to her was pick one platform, remain consistent with your posting. And guess what happened? Check this out. This is just to prove that social media work. She didn't even have the training yet. Watch this. Check this out. The power of social media. Check it out. Now watch this. Now I'm going to read to you her response. This is social media, the power. She says, okay, thank you for explaining. I will keep posting. I think I'm just going to focus on one platform. As you said, I will check out this flyer. I sent her a link to a gentleman that created a flyer for me so she can start posting that flyer about 10X income system. Now watch this. 5 days later, she got a sale. Social media is powerful. Check it out. By the way, congratulations, Brianna, on your sale. Okay. So, by the way, congratulations to Rihanna on her sale. Here she goes. Hi, Pandora. Just want to share that I made my first 10X income sale last night. Turns out the sign up came from YouTube. That social media is free. I'm so surprised. This came from organic traffic. I plan to do a post in the group as well. Hello. Okay. You see where we're going? Social media, guys. So I want to introduce you to Infinity Processing System social media marketing training, and it's affordable for everybody. So let's go over those packages real quick. Okay, here we are, guys. There's 3 product packages, 3 social media product packages. Okay, very affordable for everybody. There's a one-time payment. There's no monthly fees. This is an investment to help you alongside 10X income system, guys. Social media marketing. So here we go. Starter package is $50 whole. Okay, to get this training. There's a one-time admin fee for your website. You get a customized website, $25. So $75 you can get 30 ads, 20 image ads. Also, the 7-day fast action plan. That's very important. Okay, that's what I'm honing in on. What to do every day, 7 days a week. Okay. Of course, you get your mindset training, Facebook marketing strategy, 30 Facebook groups to post your ads in. They're giving you the pre-written ads. They're giving you the images, which are pictures, okay, that attract people, and 30 places to post those in different Facebook groups. These aren't just random Facebook groups. These are groups like business opportunity groups, okay, and Craigslist marketing training, okay. Next one, elite level, $150 plus $25 will get you everything I just said, but you're going to get 100 pre-written ads and 40 image ads with this one. Okay, you get 60 places, 60 Facebook groups to post in, along with the Craigslist. But you get, in addition, you get Instagram marketing and YouTube automation. Powerful, guys. Use this to help you build your 10X income system. And there's no charge for posting ads. The ads are free on social media. Okay, let's go with the next one, the Powerhouse. That's the one I've got. Pro level. That's the one I have. Okay, guess what? I'm able to receive 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads, guys. Okay, you still get your 7-day action plan. I have 100 Facebook groups. Can you imagine 100 places that you can post ads? 200 written ads. All I got to do is copy paste them. Also, YouTube mastery. Most of you are already seeing us on YouTube, so you know that works. Then I also get Instagram. I get 30 email follow-up emails that I can put in my autoresponder. TikTok marketing. Okay, 30 days of email marketing. Automate your social media growth with one powerful strategy. This is powerful. Okay, so come in where you can. $50, $150, or $300. It's up to you. Not to mention, you get paid for sharing these trainings with your folks or anybody that you know, because everybody needs the social media training. It's 100% commissions. You make $50 if you sell the starter pack. You make $150 if you sell the elite training, internet automation secrets. You make $300 if you have to own these products, the 6-figure blueprint, okay, at the pro level. So as long as you own them, you can get paid on them. In other words, if you come in at the starter and somebody decides to purchase the elite or the pro level, that sale will be passed up to your sponsor. However, you can always upgrade and just pay the difference as well. But if you can, get in at the pro level. And of course, all the pro level people that join me, I'm going to run a solo ad for you to get leads flowing through your system. This only comes with this page. Okay, you don't get a marketing system, but I'll refer you to one for $19.95 a month, and then you lead people over to that page. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Look forward to working with you. See you on the inside. Have a blessed day. Be safe out there.